I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to blur part of an image using Canva. Whether you want to protect someone's privacy, hide sensitive information, or draw attention to a specific area, knowing how to blur parts of an image using Canva can be incredibly useful. This technique is perfect for editing photos that contain personal details like faces, license plates, or confidential documents, ensuring you can share your images without compromising privacy. So if you're ready to enhance your editing skills and add a valuable tool to your Canva arsenal, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open the image you want to blur part of in Canva. In this example, I'll do this on the Canva website. Step 2. Click to select the image, which will bring up a floating menu directly above the image. Step 3. Click Edit in this menu. The Edit menu opens on the left side of the screen. Step 4. Navigate to the Effects section and then click Blur in this section. The Blur menu is displayed. Step 5. Choose Brush if you just want to blur part of your image, or choose Whole Image if you want to apply a blur to the whole image. In this example, because I just want to blur out the text, I'll choose Brush. Step 6. Use the sliders to adjust the brush size and blur intensity. Step 7. Now, use the blur brush to paint the part of the image that you want to blur. After you release your mouse button, the blur will be applied on the image. However, you're not done. Step 8. Now, press the back button next to blur to fully apply and save your changes to the image. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.